Thanks for watching our video here. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about what's all included with our services when you sign up with AST Technology to be your managed service provider. Very first thing I'm going to show you is what's included with each operating system. In order for us to keep track of everything, we include a program. You'll notice it's this green circle when it's active. If it's not active, it turns red. Hovering over it, you'll see it says AST Technology, and right-clicking on it gives you a list of options. You can quickly get our phone number to give us a call anytime, 24/7, toll-free. We have a help desk standing by to answer basic or complicated questions or solve issues regarding your network or systems. You can also click this link and it will take you out to our website. Clicking this link will bring up a page where you can simply create a ticket with us. Put in your name, email, phone number, and their message of what's going on. You click send. It will automatically create a ticket with our help desk system, and someone from our department will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, you can keep up to date with security news on our website as well. And one way to check your identity to make sure it's safe is our online identity check. Clicking this will bring you to a list of tools. Reading through this is a website that will keep track of pretty much any big hack that happens, any data breach that happens. Hackers always post the results on the websites, and so this particular website here scans the entire internet for email addresses and usernames, and so you can search that website, and if you search for your username or your email address, if it comes up in that list, then you know your identity has been compromised, and so at that point you'd want to change your password from a known safe location. The other thing is our self-help. What happens is most common issues we're able to solve by scripting. So by clicking the run self-help, you'll see our tool automatically is detecting the operating system, and it gives you quick options here, and by pushing each number and pressing enter will actually execute that command. So as you can see, we can quickly fix your printer, fix the internet, speed the computer up, remove a virus, test your internet, and run updates and such. I'm not going to run through those right now, but that just shows you our capabilities of how quickly we're able to empower the end user to solve issues. And our help desk will also quickly walk through basic troubleshooting steps through what we call our Tier 1 support, just to make sure some of the common steps have already been ran. Now, we're also able to script a lot of this stuff to automatically run on like a weekly or monthly basis, so that will solve a lot of problems that most in-house IT fails to detect. Now, you're looking right now at our central dashboard. This is a quick demonstration of what we have the capability of seeing. So we can see, for example, how many devices are within these environments and how many tickets and alerts, and by clicking into it you'll be able to see exactly a little bit more detail, such as if there's any systems that are down, the total amount of servers and mobile devices and virtual machines and such, and we can configure, control power management, monitoring alerts, and just be able to do all kinds of stuff, which allows us to really fine-tune how we are able to maintain in your environment. The other tool is called our SIM, and the SIM stands for Security Information Event Management, and this allows us to basically keep track of who accesses what, when, and from where. And we're able to do this by keeping track of all your devices, and then we're able to see outside threats as well. So one of the most important parts in a data breach when it happens is being able to identify what was compromised, when it was compromised, and who compromised it. And this just gives you a quick overview of the entire world map of known malicious activities by IP addresses, and we're able to see exactly how many are defined by each country, and then we can actually drill down into a little further into each particular area. So for example, if we jump in here into Portland, Oregon area, by zooming in, there are numerous areas here that are hosting malicious activity, and so we can see that some of the blue activity here is scanning and we can really get a lot of good information. And this allows us to then block the particular IP address, because we can see this particular IP has malware stemming from it. And then we're able to quickly then determine how many threats have actually attacked or interfered or impacted your particular environment. In this case, there's been 0 IPs that have attacked this particular location. So that, as you can see, there are currently no attacks to our system, which is good. But we can set up alarms and alerts to be able to monitor all of that. So if there was ever a problem, you'd quickly be able to see that. Plus, we get a bunch of gauges and metrics here to be able to see exactly what's going on. We'll quickly be able to identify threat levels, so we'd be able to take steps to try to mitigate problems, such as when big worms, such as the conflictor worm, is out and about and they've released new variations of it. We're able to quickly lock down those ports and update and patch those systems that would be otherwise compromised. So, to put this all in perspective, IT guys that are typically hired in small and medium businesses typically have gaps in knowledge. Most are known as a jack of all trades but a master of none. And in IT, there's a lot of different trades. There are Windows desktop guys, Mac desktop guys, Windows server guys, Unix and Linux server guys, network guys, database guys, programmers, documentation guys, mobile device guys, there's architecture guys, virtualization guys, and then there's security guys. And to be a good security guy, you have to be a master of all of those domains there. And part of ASmart is we're able to bring masters in each one of those fields to these companies. So every time you have an issue, doesn't matter what the issue is, our businesses are able to leverage our expertise in all of those areas, which will help eliminate downtime, help improve and increase productivity, and really minimize that risk of exposure, because a lot of corporations do not have any type of data classification in place, and so they're treating sensitive and critical data as if it's very publicly accessible, and that there are not as many controls in place. And so we're able to identify that and lock all of those down. And so that's one reason why IT normally fails in these small and medium businesses, just because they don't have the technology in place or the knowledge and skill sets in place. So again, to give you a quick overview, ASmart Technology, we're able to bring experts, masters of different technology domains together. Together with our tools and software, we're able to offer a one-stop shop that's able to solve all issues in IT at an extremely affordable rate. Our experts normally in the industry, when hired out in corporate environments, make over $100,000 a year. So to have a company that has a master in all of those domains could cost up to millions of dollars to have that type of expertise on staff, whereas by hiring ASmart Technology, we're able to bring that in at a much smaller amount, a fraction of a cost of what it would normally cost to have these guys on full time. So hope that answers a lot of your questions of how ASmart Technology can help your business. Give us a call anytime, and we'll be more than happy to demo and show you some of our results and documentations. Thank you for watching.